Ground fault circuit interrupt GFCI outlet. Senses flow to other than normal and shuts off. Ground fault circuit interrupt outlets provide safety like a circuit breaker but work differently. The GFCI sensor allows normal flow of electricity but senses when that flow changes, like flows elsewhere, like through a person for example. The sensor turns off the flow of electricity to the outlet in a 30th of a second. The GFCI fault protector addresses the problem of a hairdryer dropped into a bathtub, for example. The minimum amperage required for a GFCI is 15 amps. A GFCI outlet senses a change in where electricity is flowing from normal and turns itself off. Multiple choice question, ground fault circuit interrupt GFCI outlet. A. Gauge numbers by American Wire Gauge AWG system. B. Senses flow to other than normal and shuts off. C. 100 amp service panel has 20 circuit breaker slots. D. Senses an overload and shuts off. Well, the best answer choice in this case from what we've been given for ground fault circuit interrupt GFCI outlet is B as in boy, senses flow other than normal and shuts off.